Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to overseas French territory reunion. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, French territory, overseas French territory of Reunion is not considered as part of Schengen region. So that's why your Schengen visa does not automatically enable you to travel there. But again, there are exemptions and other things when it comes to travel. So in order to see if you really need a visa, the best way to check is to through the official website. So in front of you, I've opened this France Visa Wizard and we are going to go through it. I'm going to put a sample, but you need to do as per your case. Nationality. So we'll start with nationality. We'll put a sample age. This is not my age. Married to a French national. Do you travel with a family member who is an EU? I select no. Place of submission of application. Visa type. Let's say short stay. Main destination, this is very important. And I select reunion. Travel issuing authority of travel document. Travel document. I select ordinary pass. Search. Okay. So the search says based on the answers that we have provided that we do need a visa. So unless even exceptions are given also, unless you fall for these exceptions. Okay. So I assume no. May plan main purpose. I do this. Then I click on search. So the fee is going to be 60 euros and Indian rupees, and documents like passport. Okay. And it should be valid, and the validity should be at least 3 months more still than the planned day of departure. Okay. Then your reservation, return ticket or travel itinerary, professional situation like employment contract. So you can see that certificate of employment. Another thing, funds, how you're going to support yourself, ITR 5 acknowledgement. So this varies based on location because in India you get it. Three last salary slips, bank statements. Okay. Accommodation. Are you going to stay at a hotel? Provide that information. If you're going to stay at a friend place, provide that information based on your case. And travel health insurance, not less than 30,000 euros. Okay. Fine. And now once you are ready, you can click on submit online application. So you need to register first if you have not already created an account. I have registered so I can log in. What it does is it sends a link to your email account where you can go ahead and click on the link and you can verify your account. So because I have already done it, I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna show you. So this is the page where you will reach after login into, after of course verification and everything, and you will go for create a new application. You can see it's gonna be in this 6 steps. Now again, it will ask some of the questions of the wizard. It won't pick up directly from there. Again, these questions: traveling, place of submission of application, city of submission of application, where in India you will submit. So example, I'll put New Delhi. Which type of visa? At a short stay, main destination. This is again very important. Lot will depend on what you select here. I select reunion. Travel document. I select ordinary passport. Passport number. It's just a sample. Date of issue. Check your passport for this and make sure you don't do any mistake. Like every detail that you are entering, verify at least 2 times, not once, 2 times. Your plan. Why are you making this trip? So this is a drop down. I select tourism. I click on verify. Okay. And I go click on next. Select yes. Information. Of course, I won't be submitting this application. And I because I don't want to pay for a sample application. Your gender, marital status. I go for single, last name. Make sure you do it as per your passport so that there is no confusion. Last name at birth, if different. First name, I'm just putting sample you do as per you case. Date of birth. Make sure you match the format as they have given here. Place of birth, current nationality, national identity number, whatever is applicable in your case. I'm just leaving blank because this is not mandatory, but you definitely put that. Nationality at birth if different. Address, provide your proper address, not what I'm doing. Postal code, city, country, territory, telephone number, email address. Make sure you enter them very carefully and verify at least 2 times, not just once. Details of identity. Do you live in a country other than your country of current nationality? I select no. Family, joining of traveling with a French national family member. Travel with a family member who's from EU country. I select no, but if you have yes, definitely. Your occupation, I just put computer engineer. Sector, I'm just putting this sample. Address, postal code, city, country. It's just sample, guys. Email address is not mandatory, so I'll leave it. But if you have, definitely provide that. Your last visa. Have you ever got a Schengen visa in last 59 months, almost 5 years? Have your digital fingerprint biometrics previously been taken with a previous application for a Schengen visa? I select no, which is default. But if you have, definitely your stay. Details of your stay. Your destination says reunion. Okay. Planned day of arrival in French territory. I'm just doing this. Departure. So this see we are applying for short-term visa. So it should match. Plan to stay number of days. Enter the total number of days you stay in the Schengen. If you're planning several consecutive stay, calculate the landed. Okay. I'm just putting 30. If it is in your case, whatever it is, put that. Number of entries one. Plan in the France in the coming year. I said it's zero, but whatever. Uh, your plans of staying, tourism, your contacts, where you will be accommodated. A selected hotel, whatever you have, you provide that information. Provide address, postal code, city, telephone number. Just sample, guys. Email address. Funding yourself, you will do as per your case, guys. How? Now, supporting document checklist it has given that on the day of your appointment, you must present your passport, original photocopy of document listed before. Okay, they will have the form already. So these are the same document that we had seen before. Now, if you continue, it will ask you to upload and then what do you call, pay the fee. So of course, I'm not going to do that. It will also guide you about scheduling the appointment, but I'm not doing that. So that's how it works. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.